In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Salesforce email as a PDF. This is a handy trick to know if you want to keep a record of your communications or share them in a more universal format. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a navigation bar at the top of the page. Look for the option that says List Emails and click on it. This will take you to a list of all the emails that have been sent or are scheduled to be sent from your Salesforce account. Next, you'll want to click on New List Email. This is where you'll compose the email that you'd like to save as a PDF. Go ahead and type in the content of your email. When you're satisfied with your draft and ready to save it, here's a little shortcut that will help you out. Press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. This command is typically used to print documents, but it's also a great way to capture a screenshot of your email. When you hit Ctrl+P, a print dialog box will pop up. In this dialog box, you'll see several options. Your goal here is to select the option that allows you to save as PDF. Depending on your browser, this might be listed under the printer selection or as a destination option. Once you've chosen Save as PDF, go ahead and confirm your selection. And there you have it. Your email is now saved as a PDF file, and you can store it on your computer, send it to colleagues, or simply keep it for your records. This method ensures that your email is preserved in its exact format, including any images or special formatting you may have included. A quick tip to keep in mind: make sure that your email is finalized before saving it as a PDF. Any changes made after this process won't be reflected in the saved document, so double check for any typos or last-minute edits before proceeding. This process is not only efficient, but also incredibly user-friendly, making it accessible for anyone, regardless of your level of tech savviness. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel confident in saving your Salesforce emails as PDFs. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions or need additional guidance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful Salesforce tips and tricks. Happy emailing!